Welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today we'll see how to write a bash script with variables on Ubuntu 21.04. A bash script is a text file containing a series of commands. Any command that can be executed in the terminal can be put into a bash script. A variable may be placed anywhere in a script or on the command line for that matter. And when run, bash will replace it with the values of the variable. First, I am going to check the OS version by using following command. It is Ubuntu 21.04. Next, I am going to log in as root user by using following command. Next, I am going to change to home directory. Next, I am going to create a sample script file. The script file must be .sh name. Every script file must be preceded by the following line. Then only is considered as a script file. It is shebang symbol /bin/bash. First, I am going to create a variables to get input the username. To read this variable, we need to add the read syntax. Read. The variables must be always in a capital letter. Next, I'm going to read any other details. Next, I'm going to read mobile number. Next, I'm going to read the email address. All variables are defined. The capital letters defines all variables. Now I'm going to call the variables by using following syntaxes. First, I'm defining a name variable. Before calling the variable, we need to insert a dollar sign and enter the variable. After, I'm going to call the next variable. Next, I'm going to call the number variable and then male variable. Next, I'm going to call the number variable. Next, I'm going to call the male variable. Then I'm going to add the extra line as registration is complete. After writing the script file, press escape and $WQ for write and quit. To run the any script file, use sh command with the file name. It will prompt for asking your name. I'm giving my name as Musk, asking for age. Next, it will prompt for ask your number. At last, it asks for mail. Then all entered details is listed. All our given details is listed. Hence, how to write a bash script using variables has been completed. Subscribe to Linuxhelp channel. Visit linuxhelp.com. For support, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.